This problem was recognized indeed by some analytic philosophers and it led to the birth of what is now called experimental philosophy. Rather than taking for granted that some philosophers have privileged insights into how a concept should be understood, a method that is perhaps hopelessly unsuccessful, given that philosophers only rarely agree with one another in the literature, leading to endless debates justified by appeals to intuition, experimental philosophers draw on the tools of experimental psychology to probe the public on how they understand concepts. A central criticism by analytic philosophers of experimental philosophy has been that its psychological methods are flawed, since ordinary language users themselves poorly understand the proper conditions under which the terms are used. Instead, it is claimed this requires the expertise, perhaps, of a trained philosopher engaged in introspection. On the face of it, this criticism has some merit, yet one would expect analytic philosophers over time to at least approximate consensus then on the many questions concerning how particular terms should be understood. Largely the opposite is true, with philosophers continually trading in intuitions. Another criticism of experimental philosophy has been that it is not really philosophy at all.